morning. It's day 6 on Celebrity Silhouette.
And we're here at the Lawn Club. So for those that are not aware, Celebrity Silhouette and its sister ships have a real lawn here. The big screen is here for events and movies, and there's areas here where you can book some private areas for yourself, your family, etc. We just docked in Kristiansand, Norway. It is our final port day on this cruise. So we just had a quick breakfast just in the buffet here, but we are about to head off the ship. We have no plans today, so we're going to see what this port brings us. And so far, the weather is looking great. Let's see if we can keep it that way. Okay, we are off the ship. We're following this little walkway to the visitor center. Apparently there is a map with a nice red line that'll show us all of the highlights, and it takes about an hour to make the walk. So we think we're going to start with that. We were told to make sure we checked out the moose that's here to greet everyone. Let's have a look at this as we approach. It's a moose.
It is a moose.
So we got our map, and apparently one of the best ways to check things out on foot is to follow this red footsteps on this map. So we're going to get started with that. Once off the ship, it's only about a 5 to 10 minute walk to get to the fish market area here in Kristiansand. It has everything you need to spend an afternoon with shops, cafes, restaurants, ice cream, and of course some lovely views. If you're not looking to go too far, this is the perfect way to spend a few hours. We're going to keep exploring a bit. Okay, we are about a quarter of the way through our walk, and we've come across a little beach there behind us. Kind of makes sense since we are now in the southernmost part of Norway that we'll be visiting here in Kristiansand. We won't be going for a swim today.
Well, I got hungry.
Yes, so we have stopped for a quick lunch. We're only halfway through our walk, but the food at this little cafe looks amazing. So we're going to have this, and then we're going to continue on our way. Okay, we've had our lunch. Now we'll get us back on track. Alright, we have walked the city of Kristiansand, and we have returned to the fish market, which is right near or next to the cruise port. It's not some manufactured tourist thing, it's an actual operating fish market, but it's very nice and set up with all these restaurants and shops. So we're going to hang out here for a bit before we get back on board. hot. We had an ice cream, hung around the fish market for a little while, and now our time in Norway is officially coming to an end as we head back to the ship. But we still have all of this evening and a full sea day tomorrow, so still lots to come. What a beautiful sail out of Kristiansand. It is hot, sunny, almost Caribbean.
Almost.
Okay, we had a wonderful few hours enjoying the sail out of Kristiansand, and now it is time for dinner.
Finally, I can see your face on here. Go ahead and send me out and out of your sheet there.
Here's a quick look at tonight's dinner. Feel free to pause for a closer look at the menu. A quick stop by the cabin, and here is all of our disembarkation info for tomorrow.
Well, we took in our final dining room experience on this cruise.
Yep, and it was lobster night tonight, at least for me.
For you.
It was very good. And now, as you can see, there's a lovely sunset before us, so we're going to take in some more views from our balcony and around the ship. We weren't sure if we were going to get much sunset views given the forecast of rain and fog during this cruise, but again, the weather has been wonderful. So let's just enjoy a few of these views. And a quick beverage at Craft Social before we head off to the theater. Well, day 6 is coming to an end. We just got back from the theater.
We seen the Queens of Rhythm.
They were very good, Motown singers. Other than that, not too much going on this evening. We are actually calling it an early night because tomorrow is a sea day, and we're going to try to take in as much of what this ship has to offer. And then tomorrow night we have a very unique specialty dining scheduled, so we'll bring you that. And then tomorrow night is what should be the best production show of the week. It's going to be, well, reportedly one of the best that they do. So
Yes.
We're looking forward to that. But it is our last day, so sadly tomorrow also means we're packing and getting all that stuff done for our return home. But more to come because we are off on our next cruise in just a couple of weeks. We'll have details of that coming to you soon. But for now, please like this video and subscribe to the channel because we have the rest of our time on Celebrity Silhouette coming to you, and then those details coming for our next cruise. So until then, we'll see you very soon. Good night.